Silence breaks, a distant hum, a rising pulse, a beat to come. Lights ignite, the crowd takes hold, the story waiting to unfold. Feel the current deep inside, no turning back, nowhere to hide. Anticipation, rising tide, ready for the great divide. Energy climbs, reaching high, touching the edge of the sky. Heartbeat pounding, close your eyes before the moment electrifies. Know the shockwave hits the floor, never felt like this before. A pure euphoria takes control, losing body, losing soul. A sonic blast, a vibrant sound, spinning senses all around. This is the moment, unbound, unhallowed, pulsing ground. Nipples linger in the air, a vibrant hum beyond compare. The bass still thumping deep and low, that residual electric glow. And bodies moving in the haze, lost within these vibrant days. The energy flows in endless ways, caught in this euphoric maze. Aim high, reaching high, touching the edge of the sky. Heartbeat pounding, close your eyes before the moment electrifies. Know the shockwave hits the floor, never felt like this before. Pure euphoria takes control, losing body, losing soul. The sonic blast, the vibrant sound, spinning senses all around. This is the moment, unbound, non-hallowed, pulsing ground. From the quiet to the roar, noise wanted something more. A primal urge, a wild release, finding power, finding peace. And let the rhythm guide your feet. This feeling bittersweet, and know the surge, another beat, and the cycle starts complete. Know the shockwave hits the floor, never felt like this before. Pure euphoria takes control, losing by